Today I'm going to show you some two-handed flip kick combos using a reverse pop transition for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony and welcome to Upraiz. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. Today we're going to be getting into level 2.5. The first two videos are going to be a continuation of level 2.4 to get through the last two combos for two-handed flip kicks. And today we're going to be using a reverse pop transition for those combos. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have completed level 2.4. If you have not, you can click right there for that entire level. Felix, I get it. We will do a Sailor Moon tutorial, okay? Okay. So a reverse pop transition is anytime you land a trick with two legs at the same time and then take off into another trick with leg one followed by leg two. The first combo is going to be a pop round off to a master scoot round. So you're going to do your pop round off and land with both feet at the same time in a backside stance. From there you're going to lift up leg one followed by leg two into your master scoot round. The second combo is going to be a pop round off to a hand swipe hook. So again, you're going to do your pop round off and land in a backside stance. From there you're going to lift leg one up followed by leg two into your hand swipe hook. The third combo is going to be a slant spring to a master scoot round. So you're going to do your slant spring and land in a backside stance. From there you're going to lift leg one up, which is your cheat leg, into your master scoot round. And the last combo is going to be a slant spring to a hand swipe hook. So you're going to do your slant spring and land with both feet at the same time. Lift that swing leg up, followed by leg two, into your hand swipe hook. Now again, since we're only focusing on the transition, which is the in-between of the two moves that we're comboing, it doesn't matter if you begin the combo with a spin or not, or end the combo with a follow through or not. That is totally up to you. Now the only tip I have for these combos is to not rush the second move. So don't try to go too fast on the connection to the master scoot round or the hand swipe hook, because you might actually pop it. So you really want to take your time with lifting that first leg up and then jumping off your second one. Otherwise it does make it very difficult to do. And if you would like to work on some pre-rec combos to get those a little bit better and then come back here and try this because it should help you out. I don't even know if that made sense. You can go ahead and click on that tutorial right there and that should help you out with this tutorial. Or if you have any questions about these combos or if you're having trouble with these moves, you can go ahead and feel free to leave a comment down below and I can try to help you out best I can there. Let's check those out one more time. Also guys, I want to let you know that I am bringing tricking tips back to my channel. I'm just going to be adding them into the tutorial. So at the end of every tutorial, there's going to be another tricking tip for whoever wants tricking tips. So all you have to do to be featured in the tricking tips at the end of these videos is to leave your Instagram name in the comments down below and then send me the video on Instagram so I can find your name a little bit easier in the messages. So that's it for today's video. I just want to say thank you to all the patrons who are supporting this channel, and thank you to the subscribers and everyone who is supporting this channel. It really means a lot to me that you guys support this channel as much as you do. And if you would like to become a patron, please visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. Also, real quick, I want to mention that we did hit our first goal on Patreon probably about like 2 or 3 weeks ago. I just haven't mentioned it yet, but I am super excited about it, and we are a little bit over halfway to our second goal now, which is super awesome. So thank you again to all the patrons for helping out. Next, we'll be getting into the last set of two-handed flip kick combos for real this time, and it'd be awesome to have you with us. Keep tricking, stay motivated, Upraiz.